Sorry, Michelle.
Okay.
Who's gonna light the candle? You gotta spread them out more than that, so it's interesting to blow them out.
Oh, boo. Oh,
You do it.
You're gonna do it, because I'm gonna take the pictures. Now wait till I get ready.
How do you do this?
It's harder than, yeah. Take that part.
Oh, okay. Here, thank you, Brooke.
Okay, now you don't do anything till we tell you to,
She
okay?
knows. She's only done this about 8 times.
Don't burn my gun up, Michelle. Look at Grammy.
Say cheese.
Happy birthday
to
you.
Happy birthday,
dear. Oh my.
Happy birthday to you. Say yay.
Any more?
Good job.
Yay!
How old are you?
4.
Hold it up. Show me again, Ted. Now say cheese.
Cheese.
You didn't look.
Okay, look here and do
Or
that.
hold your finger.
Say smile.
Okay, look over here and do that.
Okay.
Are we hamming it up a little?
Let's move the cake and get the present.